In the world of small businesses, cash flow can be a relentless stressor. I assist small business owners who generate over $150,000 in revenue and have been established in business for at least 2 years. Do you wish or do you desire to ending the ongoing frustrations and stress of poor cash flow by getting your financial data in order and up to date, staying in compliance so that you can finally take that overdue vacation, trust your staff to manage the office, and have the confidence in the financial state of your business? It's all about providing the space for peace of mind, which we all deserve. I'm eager to dig deep and deeper into your business aspirations that you feel are currently beyond your financial reach. Together, we can work towards building the abundant life and successful business you've always dreamed of. If this resonates with you, allow me to assist you in achieving your goals and reaching the pinnacle of success. Drop me a comment below and let's connect.